Hello, Baguio. Yes. Hello, Baguio. It's been a long time to see you, and now I'm here, Baguio.
Isa ba ang kangkos sa atong basta?
Video na ako tapodot so.
A few inches later.
Hello guys, so for today we're going to I don't know where, basta moadto mi sa mga places na layo sa Mua, which are the must visit places. So are you ready guys?
Yes!
Hooray! So these are the people right now that we're going. Say hi guys for a vlog. So we're going to update you later pag naanami sa among place, okay? Say church. Bye! Uy! Murag squatter na tanawon.
Sa video. High Crest View.
Murag diwaluan.
Mura po kami din dito ka Baguio na ako yung mga lalaki. Hi, good morning. And we're going to the colorful house now. Wala colorful house, colorful na. Si Mother, ito, opak. Mads.
Father. Father, say hi! Pa! Hi! Para sa mga fans club. So first stop, Tamawan Village. Kung saan yung mga Igorot places nila. Andito na po kami. We're going up, guys. We're going up. Teka. Pasok.
Called the Sakpaya, and after that we'll perform the community dance coming also from the province of Kalinga called the Adok or Lachok.
Sa likod kami sa Belma. We're still in Tamawan Village and we're currently finding some spots here to take a picture for remembrance, of course. This is a village of the Igorot tribe, as what they said. It's a nice place. So hello. Ang layo na po namin. Nandito po ako. At I'm catching my breath. Because we've been walking and walking. Hoy! Tara na, oy! Tara na!
Hi guys, so we're here sa...
Nahulog akong time din eh. Tara na! Picture ako na.
Nawala si Juyut, ha?
Ah, si Juyut? Her?
Ha?
Wala na yung tubang.
Si Joyo.
Bye everyone. So, wait lang, kag-input na.
Hello again. Paulit namin. And ako na lang nabilin. Oh my gosh! Help me! Tagalog po tayo ngayon sa araw na ito. Hello guys, it's 11 p.m. p.m. Ano ba yan? Whatever. 11 in the morning. Nandito pa kami ngayon sa Stone Kingdom at uuwi na po kami din. Tapos na po kami magpa-feature. Hello guys, it's 11:01 and ngayon we're just done with the Stone Kingdom. Now we're going to Strawberry Farm. Hello guys. Okay pa ba ang lahat?
Hindi pa may kapoy.
Hindi pa kapoy?
May herb.
Hooray! Okay. Hooray pa po lahat. So, we'll see you pag nandun na po kami sa Strawberry Farm. Bye! Hello guys, it's 11:15. Mga ka-herf, it's 11:15 in the morning and we are now arriving at the Strawberry Farm. Let's see. Sabi nila there's no strawberry. It's not strawberry season. Yeah, we're just going to visit. So guys, ito na po ngayon ang aming sitwasyon. Kasalukuyan pong bumibigali kami ng mga pasalubong dito. Oh, ano? Kabili ka na ba ng pasalubong?
Wala, para sa sarili ng binili ko. No pasalubong.
There's no pasalubong.
You wait! You wait!
Sige lang ba?
Hello guys, so ito po yung famous color house dito. Yan po. Pero bukas na po yung unahan namin pupuntahan dahil po mag-rest po muna kami for a while and then we'll go after later. But that's the famous color house. Okay, yan po. Oh, maganda dahil may mga hinalay.
Oh, same color pa yan.
Mura ni dire, mura ni dire. Uso po ni sa video ko po.
Aman na bito ko. Aman magagi. Okay. Nice.
Dara na sa vlog.
Ayaw saba.
Hello everyone! We just finished our lunch and now we're going to rest. And after for a while, we're going somewhere. But we will just update you if saan po yan. Yeah. Do you still have an energy?
Yes!
Okay. Kinsay dadagma ang...
Ay, okay.
Ayaw ba? Sige, bye!